Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will explain how to classify LiDAR point cloud data for building using MicroStation connected edition. Okay, my previous video LiDAR classification 4 and 5 I uploaded on this playlist for ground and noise classification and vegetation. In this series, I will explain one by one section basic to advanced level for using macros and manual way. In this video, I will explain using macro first. So before that, you need to take section of on building. These all building. This is completely urban file. So before starting the macro, you need to draw the fence. Why? Because the edge of the file it's not taking once you are running the macro. If you are taking the buffer area, it will run automatically. So you need to take fence. Then for running this macro, you need TerraScan and Terra model tool. If your DGN file doesn't have TerraScan and Terra model, you need to go utilities, MDL application and Terra model and Terra photo you need to load. Here I already have, so I started doing the file. Classify, routine, buildings. In this case, the ground class is ground only. From classes high vegetation, two classes building inside the fence, except using normal rules only. Minimum building size. We can give 25 to 40 or 60, but based on this minimum value, the building will classify. So basically here I give 25. So based on minimum building size, the macro will run. So here I give 25 meters square for building minimum size. Z tolerance is 20. Then click OK. No need to click use echo information. It will take some time. You need to wait. This values and all based on my experience, work experience, I give you. Otherwise, you need to know entire process. What are the things why you are changing this value mean? You go through the MicroStation Terra Solid booklet. The in Google it will available. You can check and you can read all these things. You can understand 100%. But in this series, I give some practical experience. For this building classification, you can get only the roof, a little bit of wall. But for wall classification, we need to use some other macros. In the roof also, we didn't get 100% classification. Some point will be missed. Using this macros, we can get 75%, 70 to 80% of buildings. Remaining 30% we need to do manually. Macro was run. So take section and check how it was work. View to ion, low, medium, high vegetation also. So you can get clear picture. See the roof little bit in view 1 off the ground points. See wall, some roof points also missing entirely. Some locations, the vegetations also added because below the vegetation buildings are there. In this case, you can reduce the building size. If you are reducing the building size, you can get building not like this vegetations. So I undo this macro. Undo is not visible now. Okay. So okay, we can move forward. After running this macro, take somewhere small section, then only you can get where how much point will classified. Here you can find how much of points are classified. Then you need to go classify, routine, close by points. What is mean close by points mean? Close by points mean one building point is there within the buffer or touching the point, like that the point adjacent point will be classified. That is the close by points. According to the one single point, nearby the point will taken to that particular class. Here we use high vegetation first, then two classes building, searching type. Searching type is here you see six type of searching is there. 2D mean it will take X and Y. Okay, not an Z. If 3D mean you can get all the angle X, Y, Z and all. So first we need to classify the roof. Roof we consider as a 3D. So I didn't change the search type 3D. For radius I give 0.150 meter. So based on this you need to change value one by one. First you need to give zero point 0.1. If the point will get very minimum means you can give extra 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 like that. First initial stage we need to give minimum value, that is fine. At the same time you need to check the view 2 and view 3 also. On that particular time you can get how much point will be taken using this macro. Okay, specific class also building, because we are moving to the point as a building. So specific class also building. Now we can run. It will take some time. We need to wait. Yeah, the macro is run. See 3000, sorry, 3,38,000 points are classified. See in view 1, most of the roof points are cleared. See, only the wall and the chimneys are there. Okay, so now we can move to the wall portion. Otherwise, again, we can run same formula because see here so much points are there. So I run for 2 5. 8 lakh points are taken. Now we can move to wall. So classify, routine, close by points, 2D above. 2D above means ground to top. Below means ground to bottom. So here we need to use 2D above, ground to above. Then the value is I can keep 2.5, 0.2.25. First we run high vegetation, then we need to run for medium vegetation because medium vegetation also present in the wall portion. We can increase the value because still more points are there. Classify, routine, close by points, 5. Mm. Again, same formula for medium vegetation. Let's do what's that? For this chimneys, we can run close by points. Mhm. Mm. Almost done. After that, in this view one, you need to off low vegetation default and all. See, the building have some vegetation points also. Chimneys are missing. Some vegetation also classified as a building. This is our final output after running the macro. Now, how you can remove this vegetation and all, I will explain on next video. Thank you for watching.